I don't know what this tripod stand has against me, but like whatever. Anyway, welcome back to Maddie Loves. I think that's what my channel's name is. I'm sorry. I have to decide because honestly I keep getting recommendations. The other day someone told me you can name your channel Maddie Ki Madness. And that was like low-key cool. And I'm like, could think about it. But I think it's Mad Lives. So welcome back to Mad Lives. दिस इज़ वेरी इम्प्रॉम्प्टू वीडियो. हर वीडियो इम्प्रॉम्प्टू ही होता है, मुझे नहीं पता मैं इसको क्यों पोस्ट कर रही हूँ, बट आई डू हैव अ पर्पस बिकॉज आई रोट इट डाउन. So I have like had a major tons of events in the past 2 months from October till now. I got back to a lot of people in my life, the ones I did not talk to. I recently got with two of my friends, like best friends kind of people. I got back with them, and the thing is, I cut them off, I blocked them off, and now that I'm back with them, oh my god, I feel like my old self. And the reason I got off with them is something that I want to share, like not in detail, but something that I think everyone needs to keep it in their mind. So it's just like another advice or just me talking video, okay? Anyway, so getting into it. I have like some pointers, so I'm just gonna get into it. Well, I'll tell you why I stopped talking to them. So one of them, I stopped talking to them because I was like, हमारी vibe match नहीं हो रही है अब, and we are not on the same frequency. And I felt like she changed, but then I forgot that I'm changing at the same time as well. And I think I was hurting a lot as well उस time पर, so I just got so defensive of myself that I was like, I don't want to be in any kind of friendship that's going to hurt me back, or any kind of friendship that's not, being beneficial to me or causing me harm, or anyone who does not like me, or anyone who's talking behind my back or doesn't think good of me. So like back in 11th, I cut off too many people because of this. I literally just went on blocking people. I had like 20 people in my block list because of that. I know, stupid of me to just because I am hurt or because of my past experience, I was just blocking out everyone in my life. But then this year, I was like, what harm will it cause if I just text them back? And I did. And to be honest, it was the best decision I ever made because I literally got back with these two people and I'm talking to them as if nothing ever happened between us, and I have been the happiest. My trip to Imagica was like amazing. Like the bus ride was so amazing because I got back with her, and me and my other friend, we had so much fun because of that. And it felt like we were back in 9th grade. And it would have never happened if I never talked to her again. And I'm glad I did. I'm glad I took that decision. And and one of my friend, I met her today, like after a year, and honestly did not even feel like we skipped a year. It felt so beautiful. In this past 2-3 months, I've realized that I've had a life outside this 12th grade. I have a purpose in my life. I have people who love me. I have people who care about me. And when I went out today, I realized that there is so much more to life than just this stupid exam or the people who hurt you. I know मैं बहुत ज़्यादा लंबी story बता रही हूँ, but I'm gonna get into the story. I'm gonna get into what I want to talk about. So one of the thing is that make new connections no matter what your past was. Don't let your past experience stop you from making new connections. Just because तुमको किसी ने hurt किया doesn't mean that you will stop talking to new people. You need to. Honestly, if you don't talk to new people, how the fuck will you find your the best friend or anyone, just anyone who is important in love? How are you supposed to find that person? Because if we hold on to our past experience, oh, my best friend betrayed me or my ex did this, how will you find your person? How will you find the person that you're supposed to keep for your entire life? Or how will you make new memories? Because I feel each person is like different. Each person is an individual experience to you. So you just need to put yourself out there and just be open to all kind of people. Because I did something like this. I was not open to people in my class at all for a year. Last year tak I did not talk to any one of them. I did not even bother making a conversation. I would rather like die alone than talk to them. I was that kind of person. I would sit alone in my PE class rather than talk to anyone. But this year I started going to school more often. Last year tak I was taking a lot of leaves. So this year I was more frequent to school and had no options, but I was put in situations like where I had to sit alone, and I did not like sitting alone. I was like, I'm done with this. I can't be doing this like thrice or 4 times a week sitting alone for like 1 hour, 2 hours. I can't be doing this. So I started talking with people. And to be honest, That's the best decision I've ever made, because I legit got to know that there is more to people than you see, than you hear from others. And you need to stop letting your past experiences stop you from making new connections. Because by it doesn't matter if they are my best friends or not, but the part that they're my classmate and I need to interact with them no matter what is important. Because भाई जब तक मैं बात नहीं करूँगी मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा what kind of person they are. And it's not that I have to make everyone my best friend. It's just that I need to, form a little bit of connection here and there, a little bit of bond here and there, because I feel every bond is unique, every bond is special. I don't know how to explain it, but like, even if that person is like every wala person, that every person will also, count, will also play a huge, role in your memory. When you look in the past, you'll be like, oh yeah, I had fun with this person in my class, or I, talked to this person during this time. Just memories. Even if it's not memories, it's just that you don't have to always hold on to people. You just, talking to them even once is enough. Just don't think, oh, I need to be best friends with this person, या पता नहीं ये इंसान मुझे क्या harm cause करेगा. Because trust me, the only people who are gonna cause you harm are your loved ones. People out there who are just randomly living their life have nothing to do with you. So I think talk to strangers as much as you can. Good ones, by the way, not the creepy ones, obviously. And don't let yourself be filled with negative energy who restricts people from talking to you. मत करो वो. बिकॉज मैंने अपने साथ किया था एंड आई विल टेल यू, आई वॉज नॉट दी हैप्पी पर्सन एट ऑल. मुझे स्कूल जाना पसंद नहीं था, मेरा एकेडमिक डाउनफॉल हो गया. बट रिसेंटली मेरा प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम था फॉर अ वीक, ओके, एंड आई स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. आई हैड नो चॉइस, बट लाइक आई हैड टू चीट एन एग्जाम, और आई हैड टू आस्क लाइक ये बता दो वो बता दो, तो आई हैड टू. एंड सो डिड दे, उनको भी करना था. तो आई स्टार्टेड इंटरेक्टिंग विद देम एंड मुझे रियलाइज हुआ, ओ माई गॉड, दे आर सो नाइस. एंड ऑल ऑफ सडन दे ऑल आर नाइस. एवरीवन इन माई क्लास इज सडनली ऑल ऑफ like they are so nice. I can't put it in words. For like 1.5 years मुझे लगा ये लोग अच्छे ही नहीं है, but now when I look back they are amazing. So and मैं हर प्रैक्टिकल के बाद इतनी खुश घर आती हूँ, इवन तो मेरा प्रैक्टिकल शिट जा रहा है, like it's going pathetic. I don't even want to look back into it, but the fact that the memories we are making on the way, like trying to cheat when ma'am is not looking, or trying to sit next to each other, or trying to help each other कि ये कौन सा सॉल्ट है या वो कौन सा सॉल्ट है, या फिर एक दूसरे को आंसर शीट पास करना फिजिक्स प्रैक्टिकल में. इफ चित्रा मैम और नीतू मैम सीज दिस, आई एम डन. But the point is, it was so much fun doing with them. The adrenaline rush you get by doing all of this, oh my god, I can't even put it in words. मुझे कितना अच्छा फील हो रहा था ये सब करते हुए. I felt like I was back in 10th grade, because 9th 10th grade I used to do this a lot. खुद नहीं कॉपी करी थी, but दूसरों को डेफिनेटली कॉपी करवाती थी मैं. I would literally pass my answer sheets throughout the class, and it was fun. And like after practical exam also, we like talking, discussing कि कैसा गया paper and all that बकवास. It was fun. I wish I did that with them last year, but it's okay. पता नहीं क्यों जब चीज़ें ख़त्म हो रही होती हैं मुझे सडनली याद आता है, oh I need to talk to them, but like whatever. So just wanted to let you know that. And there are a lot of points on this. मैं बहुत बोलती हूँ यार, कोई मुझे चुप करवाओ, but मुझे बोलना है. हाँ. And also this is like the second point कि don't let any new connection in your life determine your life choices. This is I'll tell you कि for example, I've seen a lot of people who get into a new relationship or a new friendship, and they get so lost in that relationship or friendship that they forget that they have a world outside that. They forget that they have their own personality or life outside that relationship. They get so lost with that person or with that friendship. वो भूल जाते हैं कि यार उनका भी अपना एक आइडेंटिटी था, अपना पर्सनालिटी थी, अपने लाइक्स डिसलाइक्स थे. लाइक इनडायरेक्टली वो इंसान तुम्हारी लाइक्स तुम्हारी डिसलाइक्स कंट्रोल कर रहा है. दिस पर्सन इज कंट्रोलिंग योर फ्रेंडशिप्स or the new connections you're trying to make. Just not new connections, but like anyone you're trying to talk, if you're just trying to be yourself, they're trying to control that. ये actively नहीं करता कोई, but वो passively करते हैं. People, what they do is like they will be like they will just try to influence your opinion about others or about your likes or your dislikes. And I'm gonna tell you, don't let that happen. Anyone who tells you कि why would you like doing that, why is that your hobby, or why you're talking to that person, कितना ये, do not listen to them. Listen to your instinct. I feel we humans have the best instinct, the best gut feeling, so I don't think so हमें किसी और की सुनने की ज़रूरत है. No matter how much you love that person, do not let them influence your life choices at all, because if they love you, they're gonna warn you, they're not gonna stop you from doing something. And trust me, you do not need to stop someone from doing something, because no matter तुम कितना भी stop करो वो तुम्हारी नहीं सुनेंगे. So just don't do that. ठीक है, पहले तो खुद भी दूसरों की लाइफ चॉइसेस को इन्फ्लुएंस मत करो, एंड डोंट लेट अदर्स इन्फ्लुएंस योर लाइफ चॉइसेस. एज सिंपल एज दैट. You can be someone's guardian angel, but don't hold their hand and guide them कि ये करना है वो करना है. You should not be doing that, and don't let others do that for yourself, because trust me, कोई किसी को अच्छे से गाइड नहीं कर रहा है. Everyone is just trying to figure out the life यहाँ पे. So stop doing that for someone, and don't let others do that to you, because trust me, if you let someone choose for you, you are gonna regret it. तुम खुद से गलती करो तुम्हें चलेगा, बट कोई और जब तुम्हारी लाइफ चॉइस को डिटरमाइन कर रहा है या फोर्स कर रहा है, मैनिपुलेट कर रहा है, नॉट पैसिवली बट नॉट एक्टिवली बट लाइक पैसिवली, तुम्हारे ओपिनियंस को चेंज कर रहा है, बार बार सेम चीज़ बोल कर तुम्हें मैनिपुलेट कर रहा है, डोंट let that happen, because you're gonna regret it. I low-key do regret it, because ऐसा मेरे साथ हुआ है, एंड इसलिए मैं तुम्हें कह रही हूँ मत करो. दिस इज़ लाइक एन एडवाइस, मत करो बस. डोंट लेट अदर्स फूल यू. डोंट लेट एनी फ्रेंडशिप, एनी फ्रेंड, एनी बॉयफ्रेंड फूल यू. स्पेशली लड़कों को ये करने देना भी नहीं, गलती से मत करने देना. दे विल मैनिपुलेट टू अनदर एक्सटेंट, एंड तुम भी लाइक ये क्या हो रहा है. ठीक है, आई थिंक आई एम नॉट एक्सप्लेनिंग एवरीथिंग नाइसली, बट मेरे पास बहुत कम टाइम है, मुझे इस वीडियो को लॉन्ग नहीं करना, मतलब लोग बोर हो जाते हैं. मैं वैसे ही बात करी तो और भी बोर हो रहा है. मेरा बैकग्राउंड भी इतना स्टूपिड सा है, इट्स नॉट समथिंग कोजी एंड ऑल. भाई मैं कहाँ से कोजी करूँ मेरा बैकग्राउंड. मेरे घर में जगह नहीं बात करने के लिए, सब जगह पे सब लोग रहते हैं. ऑफ टॉपिक, सॉरी. Another one was not hurt or leave people. हाँ, also this is मेरा first hand experience. This is one of the reasons why I lost a person in my life. Do not hurt or leave people because you are being protective or defensive of yourself. It's just that अगर तुम hurt हुए हो अपनी लाइफ में, तुम्हें किसी ने hurt किया है, तुम पेन के थ्रू जा रहे हो, तुम्हें किसी ने betray किया है, उस वजह से do not let others be hurt. किसी को मत hurt करना, because I have seen people and I have myself experienced it. Okay, when I was betrayed by the people I trusted most, what I started doing was the remaining people in my life, I started hurting them. I was not doing it deliberately, but I forgot that there is a boundary line. There is this limit to which I can hurt them or I can cause them pain. मेरा प्रॉब्लम ये हो गया था that I was not sharing my problems with them first of all, and at the same time I would just ghost them. I would block them off, or I would just stop talking to them, or I would put my problems on them, or I would just be like मुझे उनका बिहेवियर पसंद नहीं आ रहा था, एंड इफ़ आई सॉ लाइक कि वो मुझे गोस्ट, नॉट गोस्ट बट लाइक इफ़ दे आर जस्ट नॉट अवेलेबल फॉर समथिंग दैट आई वांटेड देम टू बी, I would stop talking. I would end the friendship. I had become so protective of myself that अगर मुझे कोई आके बता रहा था कि हाँ ये इंसान तुम्हारे बारे में ऐसा बात कर रहा है, मैं क्रॉस वेरीफाई नहीं कर रही थी, मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही थी. I would just simply be like मैं इस इंसान को कट ऑफ करूँगी, because I was so hooked on protecting my peace, my self, that मैं भूल गई कि कोई भी मुझे आके मेरे ओपिनियंस को इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकता है. And anyone who doesn't like me can easily do that, and I let that happen, not just with one person, with a lot of people. And don't let that happen. Don't let your past experience break what you have in the present, because उन्होंने किया जो उनको करना था, but हर इंसान सेम नहीं होता ना. हाँ, ट्रस्ट इश्यूज़ होना फाइन है, you should have trust issues, but having trust issues with everyone will just leave you alone. You will be alone, अकेले रह जाओगे, कोई नहीं होगा, कोई बात करने के लिए भी नहीं होगा. एंड सी, फ्रेंड्स होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आई बिलीव सब गलतियाँ करते हैं, बट कुछ लोग लाइफ में ऐसे होते हैं जिनकी गलतियाँ माफ़ की जा सकती है, जिनके लिए लड़ा जा सकता है, जिनके लिए you would want to fight with them for themselves. It's okay, because कोई perfect नहीं होता है. I'm gonna make mistake, you're gonna make mistake. See, when there are two people living together, they are bound to hurt each other. But the point is, are they worth fighting for? Are they worth forgiving for? You should always ask that question, because I believe कुछ लोग genuinely इतने worth it होते हैं कि तुम उनके लिए लड़ो और उनसे लड़ो, और बिना लड़ाई के तुम क्लोज कैसे हो गए यार? When every fight brings you closer to that person. So you know, just let yourself be. मतलब इतना अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट मत करो कि तुम अकेले पड़ जाओ. You have no one in your life. I just don't know how to put it in words, but मेरे साथ हुआ है. मैंने 1 साल वो अकेलापन झेला है. I had just 2-3 people in my life and I was just alone. I'm very glad to that 2-3 people for not leaving me, but just don't let others, this is, I just don't know what to say. मेरे को बहुत सारे flashbacks आ रहे हैं. I'm not liking it because a lot of things have happened in the past 2 years. Oh my god, breathe. It's okay. So yeah, and Sarah, thank you so much for forgiving me, and thank you so much for coming back in my life, and I love you. And I'm sorry, Arya, and thank you so much for being back in my life. I love you both a lot. Anyway, going on to the next one. Yeah, and also just last one, khatam ho chuki list, by the way. So this is the last one that when you try to do all of this, तुम अपने आप को protect करते हो, तुम other बाकी लोगों को अपनी life choices से determine कर देते हो. I believe it's a type of self harm. You forget what actually self love is. तुम प्रोटेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हो तो अपने आप को, तुम सेल्फ हार्म कर रहे होते हो. तुम अपने आप को अकेला छोड़ देते हो. यू लीव योर सेल्फ अलोन टू बी हर्टेड, टू गेट डिप्रेसिव एंड ऑल दैट. तुम अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ को प्रोटेक्ट करने की जगह तुम और उसको डिस्ट्रक्ट कर रहे होते हो. एंड be it anything, when you're trying to be protective of yourself, that's a self harm. When you're letting others influence your life choices, you are letting them control you, and then you forget how to actually how to actually make opinions or make decisions. तुम भूल जाते हो because तुम्हारे opinions, तुम्हारी choices constantly किसी और से influenced होती है. You're just hurting yourself in this process, honestly. So stop doing it. Just stop doing it. All I want to say is just let yourself be out there and go with the flow. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं अपनी लाइफ को एक माइंड मैप की तरह बनाने की, बिकॉज यार तुम कितना भी माइंड मैप उसका बना लो, वो एक रिवर है. इट विल फ्लो इन द डायरेक्शन इट वांट्स टू. सो स्टॉप थिंकिंग कि फ्यूचर में क्या होगा. मेक मिस्टेक्स, learn from them, grow, because you're going to have stories to talk about in the future to your kids. And I think what's greater than having such fun stories to talk about and being full of experience. So don't do what I did. Learn from my mistakes. Even though I'll tell you, make mistakes, fall and get up on your own and just make more mistakes. Because अगर तुम गलतियाँ नहीं करोगे तो सीखोगे कैसे? हाँ, एक्सपीरियंस कैसे आएगा? Cool कैसे बनोगे? All this personality you see, it's because of all the trauma, all the betrayal, all the hurt, all the pain. It took me 3 to 4 years to be who I am today, because my pain, my tears built me, and honestly, I wouldn't trade it for anything else. I don't care if I was hurt. All I care about is I have a great humor, I have a great personality, and I'm a caring person now. And I know my flaws, and I'm very much self-aware. इससे ज़्यादा क्या चाहिए भाई? इतना personality development and character development हुआ है. I'm Loki, that's the main character. Anyway, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for listening, and until this, see you next time. It's me, Madhya Romane, signing off.